Okay, today is Monday. Here's my mess kit. So I'm gonna try a mess kit Monday again. So I've only done one other one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and try to season this pan up some. This is gonna be probably a simple meal. I'm gonna try to cook some bacon, which it's already pre-cooked bacon. I'm gonna get some of it, fry it up because I like it a little bit crispier. But like I said, I'm gonna try to season this thing up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna put just a little bit more oil on that. Turn my burner on. I'm using some of this stuff, which is the pre-cooked bacon. Maybe I should rip that into. I got the grill on low. Just don't want to cook the bacon too fast. I'm going in and get me a fork. Bacon over here. Okay. I'm going to let the oil try to cool down a little bit. Okay. Now, what I have here is, this is just instant grits, Quaker instant grits, cheese flavor. And I'm going to attempt to try to fry some of this. Let's see how it turns out. So maybe put it on low heat. I'm trying to keep it moving so it doesn't want to burn. I may need to add a little bit more oil to it. I cooked these up sometime last week. They turned out pretty good, but didn't turn out quite like I wanted it. So how I done this, I made them up this morning. And of course, as you know, when you put water in hot oil, it just starts to really pop really bad. So actually what I did this morning, oh man, look, it's falling apart. Turn that heat up on high right quick. But what I did this morning was I mixed them up a little bit. Oh, man, look at that. I mixed them up a little bit. Kind of thick. Didn't put quite, I just added just enough water. And I had to add water to it just a little bit. You know, a little bit at a time to get it kind of thick. And then I put them in a plate or in a bowl, and I put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for a few hours. So I got a bumblebee flying around my ear. Turn that up on high a little bit. Yeah. Oil's burning to the pan a little bit right there, but hey, look. At least the grits are not sticking to the pan. Last week when I done it, I don't think I had the pan seasoned quite good enough. And they just kind of like stuck to it really bad. And the grits, they just started falling all apart too, so. If I can flip this over another time. See how they done? Oh well. And I think I'm almost out of propane, so I'll just call that good right there. I'll do what I'm gonna do now. Okay, I got my bacon and fried grits right here. So, try it out. Here's the crispy bacon. So this stuff was already pre-cooked. I just put it in the pan, fried it up a little bit to crispen it up some. Give me a drink. Okay. Try these fried grits out. These are actually good. Like I said, last week I cooked fried grits, but it didn't turn out quite as pretty because they just fell all apart, kind of like this and did earlier. But that was kind of my fault. But what it does, it puts a crispy outer surface on it. It's really good. Just got to be careful. putting moist grits in hot grease, because it could start popping really bad like it did last week with me. But I put them in there when the oil was still kind of cool and just kept the heat on low. I'm telling you, this is actually pretty good. So grits and bacon, can't go wrong with that. I will tell you this. Last week when I fried the grits, I had the quick grits. It wasn't the instant like these. So, and they were a little bit watery when I put them in the oil. So, like I said, when I did, they just started popping everywhere because the oil was hot. A little bit of a burnt piece. Still good. Grits were delicious. Bacon is excellent. Okay, I think that'll be it for this cooking session for Miss Kit Monday. So I hope y'all enjoyed it, learned something, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.